Hello there, Chessie John Productions here. Hope everyone's doing well and happy St. Patrick's Day. I wanted to show off this cool engine I just finished building. I 3D printed it from a file on Thingiverse. It's a Skylark locomotive. Here it is. It's not the best, but it's a work in process. This locomotive is loosely inspired by Jim from the Mid-Sodor Railway, the character who appeared in the Wilbur W. Awdry's Mid-Sodor Railway layout. This engine looks a lot like Jim, but it's different. It has a Cato 109 chassis. This is the newer version I made. The file I downloaded on Thingiverse. I had it 3D printed. Here it is. Works great. It's a beautiful engine. It needs some work. Like the couplings, I think I need to add couplings to it. I tried a couple of freight car to it. It's getting loose, so I'm going to add a little paper clip for coupler. This engine works really well. It's really nice. It's a work in process. Let's have a test run. Beautiful engine. Really is. The locomotive was 3D printed using resin, and the chassis is Cato 109 chassis. Here's what it looks like underneath. Overall, it's a great affordable locomotive you can build. There are lots of 3D printed files on Thingiverse and online you can get, and you can make your own Cato 109 locomotives and your own 3D printed locomotives as well. Hope you enjoyed the video. Like, comment, subscribe for more videos. Chessie John Productions out. Have a great day.